Hi, wherever you're watching me from. How are you today? So, last week my daughter brought home a mathematics assignment, and honestly, I didn't know what to do. I didn't even know how to solve it. Blame it on the stress I was going through, but just wasn't in the mood, and I went over to ChatGPT. Before I go forward with my story, please consider subscribing. You will love it here. So I went over to ChatGPT and I gave ChatGPT a prompt. I told ChatGPT that you are a mathematics school teacher and your role is to explain and solve mathematics questions step by step for a grade 5 pupil. If you understand, respond by I understand, to which ChatGPT told me it understands. And so I went on to give ChatGPT the mathematics question. I'm telling you, ChatGPT did a wonder. I was so impressed by how ChatGPT saved my life, literally. It saved my day. It saved me from looking like a lazy mom in the sight of my daughter. And so this is a question. There is a total of 16 chicken and rabbits in a farm. The total number of legs is equal to 50. How many chickens and how many rabbits are in the farm? ChatGPT went ahead and gave me the accurate answer step by step. If you could see my screen right now, you would see how ChatGPT broke it down step by step. And it was because I prompted it effectively. You must understand that prompt is so important when it comes to ChatGPT doing for you what you want it to do for you. You must learn the language of hey hi, and I think I did a pretty good job learning it. And so I went ahead, sorry, to give ChatGPT another question because the thing don't they sweet me, you get. I have someone who can think for me. I have someone in the form of an AI that can solve mathematics question for me. That means I don't have to stress my brain. I don't have to feel disappointed at myself. I don't even have to spend hours working mathematics question. All what I have to do is to type the exact same question in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will give me the most accurate answer step by step. Now, if you are seeing the screen right now, you will see that I imputed another question, and right before your face, ChatGPT is giving you the answer to it. What more could you have asked for? Even our teachers wouldn't be able to explain this way. All right, so this is the third question. John has 5 boxes of sweets. Now, on one group of box has how many sweets? Has 5 sets of sweets. And the other has, I think, 2. I just want to be faster than the screen. The second group of box has how many group of sweets? It has, I think, 2 sets of sweet. Now the question is to find out how many sweets is in each box. Now ChatGPT did exactly what I wanted. It explained it to me step by step, and I could also explain it to my daughter step by step, exactly the way ChatGPT explained and did the answer for me. So why do you want to stress yourself even as a mother, even as someone that wants to keep up with so many things? You have groceries to shop for, you have children to take care of, you have your career to build, and you also want to be there for your children. ChatGPT will help you do that conveniently. It is just up to you for you to provide ChatGPT with the efficient prompt, the prompt that will give you the result you are looking for. And so I'm going to post this prompt down in the description box. You can just copy it and then paste it on your own device, maybe it's a phone or your system, and then you load or you feed ChatGPT with the question you want it to do for you or to solve for you, and then ChatGPT will give you the answers. All right. So this is, I think, the third question I'm asking ChatGPT, and it is doing it for me one after the other in a very, very simple way, a very, very step by step way. If you wait for a short moment, you would see what I eventually did, so that I could step up my game, so that my daughter can be very good at mathematics, and so that I can also look responsible, with her whenever we are working mathematics. And so I gave ChatGPT some work to do. I told ChatGPT to help me create some likely questions following the examples I gave to it. And ChatGPT, did exactly what I asked it to do. Exactly. I even went forward to ask ChatGPT to give me answers to the questions that it had proffered, and ChatGPT gave it to me very, very accurately. And so AI has come to stay. AI is a blessing. AI is your blessing. So take advantage of it. Don't want to try to do everything by yourself when there is something or someone or an AI to help you do it even better than you would have. So leverage on ChatGPT to do all mathematics questions for you, or even English questions or basic questions that you just don't want to bog your head on. I hope this video has really, really blessed you. It has really blessed me too. I'd like to also remind you before I go on to please make this channel grow by helping me subscribe to this channel, and you will love it here. Bye.